Welcome to part 2 of our Dubai vlog, where we visit the Hatta mountains, go to the famous Atlantis Waterpark Aquaventure, visit the Dubai Mall and have some lovely dinner. So my sister's friend brought us all the way to the Hatta mountains as a surprise, which was really nice. And the Hatta mountains are also known as the Hajar Mountains. And it's a very picturesque mountain range located in the eastern part of the Arabian Peninsula. We went to the Hatta Dam specifically, where you can rent a boat and get onto the water. The water offers a refreshing escape from the heat and the city. This mountain range is characterized by dramatic rocky terrain, canyons and steep cliffs. The peaks of the Hatta mountains are some of the highest in the Arabian Peninsula, with several of them rising over 3,000 meters above sea level.
Drive?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we can.
Donkey shot? Donkey shot?
The next day it was time to go to the Atlantis to slip and slide, and this was so much fun. There are a lot of slides to try out here, with Poseidon's Revenge being the most popular one. It's the one where you get dropped through a trapdoor into a near vertical plunge, so we decided to skip this one. But we did, however, got my sister to go into multiple slides, also a very steep one. So get your ears ready for screams.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
She is very gifted, very Miss
Cheesecake Factory.
Nee, kijk even de andere kant, wil je?
The Dubai Mall is one of the world's largest and most famous shopping malls located in the heart of Dubai. The mall houses a huge tank with marine life, such as sharks and rays, and you can even dive in here. We went to have dinner at Origami, a sushi restaurant, and this was so delicious. Look at all the fresh fish, and these desserts were so nice as well. We had a matcha cake, a raspberry cake with white chocolate and filling, and this beautiful charcoal dessert with strawberry filling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you at the next one.